Now, to draw our Lorax face, we're going to start right here on our paper, kind of about the middle, but we're going to go up. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a nice big sad face right in the middle of my paper. So I'm going to make a nice big line that curves up and down for my sad face. Starting right here, I'm going to make two tall oval shapes for the eye. So we're going to make one oval shape right here for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another tall oval shape right here for an eye. Inside of each one, I'm going to color in a small black dot for the pupil. Right here in the middle of the eyes, I'm going to make a small oval shape for the nose. Now, our next step is I'm going to start right here from the nose, and I'm going to make a big line. It's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down. So I'm going to make a big line. It's going to curve up and down. And I want to do the same thing over here. I'm going to curve up and then down. Now, starting inside of here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go in, and then it's going to go out. I'll do the same thing here. We'll go in and out. I'm going to do that a few more times. I'm going to go in and out, in and out. We'll do that same thing. We'll go in and out, in and out. I'm going to continue this just a couple more times. And I'm going to bring these together to make it look like he's got a furry beard. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down here, and then a little line that comes down here for the body. Up here on top of his head, I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little lines for some hair. And I'll do the same thing over here. 1, 2, and then 3 little lines. And I like to go and make some of these lines a little bit longer in here, just to make it look a little bit furrier. And there you go, there is your drawing of a quick and easy Lorax. Now the next step is we need to begin coloring this.